Did you know that the sound of crunching food can actually enhance your eating experience? Yeah, it's true. Some crunchy foods can blow your mind not just with flavor, but with that satisfying crunch that makes every bite an adventure. Have you ever tasted something so crunchy that it felt like a flavor explosion in your mouth? Let's dive into the world of crunchy foods that will totally blow your mind in 2024. Welcome back to the channel, food lovers. Today we're talking about crunchy foods, those delightful bites that add a whole new dimension to our meals and snacks. Crunchy foods are more than just a texture. They can elevate your culinary experience and surprise your taste buds in the most unexpected ways. So let's explore how these crunchy delights can transform your dining experience. Now, here's a little secret. A lot of people think crunchy foods are just for snacking. You know, chips, pretzels, popcorn, the usual suspects. But the real challenge lies in figuring out how to incorporate these crunchy gems into your everyday meals. It's like, why limit the crunch to just a side dish when you can make it the star of the show? Many of us overlook the potential of crunchy foods in salads, main dishes, or even desserts. So let's break that misconception and embrace the crunch in every bite. Alright, let's dive into the different types of crunchy foods that can spice up your meals. First up, we have the classic roasted chickpeas. These little powerhouses are not only crunchy but also packed with protein and fiber. Toss them in some spices, and they become the perfect topping for salads or even a crunchy snack on their own. Next, let's talk about the king of crunch, crispy fried onions. These bad boys add an incredible texture to everything from green bean casseroles to burgers. And if you're feeling adventurous, try adding some crispy seaweed snacks to your sushi rolls or salads for that umami crunch. But wait, there's more. Have you ever tried adding crushed nuts to your yogurt or oatmeal? Almonds, walnuts, or even pistachios can give your breakfast a delightful crunch. And for dessert lovers, how about some crunchy granola sprinkled over ice cream? The combinations are endless, and the flavors are just out of this world. Now let's get to the good stuff, the ultimate crunchy food that's taking 2024 by storm. Drumroll please, it's the crispy cauliflower. Yes, you heard that right. This versatile veggie is not only super crunchy when roasted, but also takes on any flavor you throw at it. Whether you're tossing it in buffalo sauce for a spicy snack or using it as a crunchy topping on your tacos, crispy cauliflower is the game changer we've all been waiting for. Its unique texture and ability to absorb flavors make it a must-try for anyone looking to elevate their meals this year. So there you have it, folks. We've explored some incredible crunchy foods that can transform your meals and snacks. From roasted chickpeas to crispy cauliflower, these crunchy delights not only add texture but also enhance the flavors of your dishes. I encourage you to get creative and experiment with these options in your kitchen. You might just discover your new favorite dish. Now it's your turn. What are your favorite crunchy foods? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let's chat about it. And hey, if you're looking for more unique food pairings, check out our next video. Until next time, keep crunching and stay delicious.